The adrenaline-pumping world of action cameras has seen a surge of innovation, with brands vying for dominance. Amidst this competitive landscape, GoPro has consistently reigned supreme, captivating adventurers and casual creators alike with its blend of performance and user-friendly design. As the countdown to the GoPro HERO 13 Black launch begins, anticipation is reaching a fever pitch. What can we expect from this next-generation marvel? Let's dive into the realm of rumors, speculations, and hopes. A legacy of innovation, GoPro has redefined how we capture life's thrilling moments. From the dizzying heights of mountain peaks to the depths of underwater escapades, these cameras have been our trusted companions. The HERO 12 marked a significant leap forward, but the industry is hungry for more. The HERO 13 Black promises to be a testament to GoPro's commitment to pushing boundaries. The ticking clock, what to expect. While official details remain shrouded in secrecy, leaks and industry whispers offer tantalizing glimpses into what the HERO 13 Black might bring to the table. Processor powerhouse. The heart of any tech gadget is its processor. Rumor has it that GoPro is set to introduce a new cutting-edge chip to power the HERO 13 Black. This could mean a significant boost in overall performance, enabling faster processing speeds, improved image stabilization, and potentially even new AI-driven features. Overheating, a thing of the past? One of the common gripes about previous GoPro models has been overheating, which can curtail recording time. The new processor, coupled with advanced thermal management, could potentially address this issue head-on, allowing users to capture extended action sequences without interruption. Hypersmooth evolution. GoPro's hypersmooth technology has become synonymous with rock-solid video stabilization. With the HERO 13 Black, we can expect hypersmooth to reach new heights. Whether it's smoother footage, wider stabilization angles, or even AI-enhanced stabilization for specific action sports, the possibilities are exciting. Low-light prowess. While GoPro cameras have excelled in daylight conditions, low-light performance has been an area for improvement. A larger sensor, often rumored for flagship smartphones, could make its way into the HERO 13 Black, resulting in significantly better image quality in dimly lit environments. Design refinements. GoPro has consistently refined its camera design over the years, prioritizing durability and ergonomics. The HERO 13 Black is likely to build upon this foundation, with potential improvements such as a more rugged exterior, enhanced water resistance, or even modular accessories to expand the camera's capabilities. The 8K question. One of the most hotly debated topics in the action camera world is the need for 8K resolution. While it offers impressive detail, the file sizes and processing demands are substantial. For most users, 4K or even 1080 delivers exceptional image quality. It's more likely that GoPro will focus on optimizing existing resolutions, improving dynamic range, and enhancing color accuracy. The countdown begins as the release date for the GoPro HERO 13 Black draws nearer. Speculation and excitement will undoubtedly reach a fever pitch. Will it be a revolutionary leap forward, solidifying GoPro's dominance, or will competitors close the gap? Only time will tell. One thing is certain, the HERO 13 Black has the potential to redefine the action camera landscape once again. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a casual content creator, there's a lot to look forward to. Stay tuned for more updates, leaks, and in-depth analysis as we get closer to the launch date. What are your hopes and expectations for the GoPro HERO 13 Black? Share your thoughts in the comments below.